wouldn't mind getting like a village kind of inland trekking waterfalls kind of experience. Just booked somewhere in Lautoka, that's how I'll say it for now. Morning guys, and welcome to our last day on this island. The last day on an island here in Fiji. And check out this sunrise. Damn, man. I'll tell you what, you don't come across these sunrises and these types of accommodations very often, so when I do, gotta always make the most of it. It's not everywhere that you find the accommodation right there, the beach just here, and the sunrise right in front of you. Trust me, I know. And I'll just quickly show you guys where I woke up. We are on Natoka Island, and this is where we're staying right there, and this is where we went snorkeling. Sunrise Beach the first time, and went around here, went back, and we tried here this morning, but this morning we ended up at Manta Beach. So Sunset Beach, Sunrise Beach, Manta Beach. Alright, so just finished breakfast and looking for accommodation for tonight. So this afternoon, unfortunately, we leave the island. Our boat is about 2:30, 3 o'clock, so looking for accommodation back on the mainland and just having a look around rather than going back to Nadi or kind of staying at Denarau Island or something like that. Wouldn't mind getting like a village kind of inland trekking waterfalls kind of experience, so just booked somewhere in Lautoka, that's how I'll say it for now, which is a village. Where's my phone? There it is, just up there. So we'll stay there for tonight, and I think from there you could go to little villages, you know, just 30 minutes off that place, treks, waterfalls, all the good stuff to finish the trip. Villas and resorts are about $350, $400 per night, but ain't nobody got time for that. We're doing it cheap for the rest of the way, so found one for $50, 50 Fijian dollar, which is like 30 Australian dollars. So we're going with that, and it's a homestay, so you're gonna get that feel, gonna get that cultural feel, so that's what I'm looking forward to for the rest of the trip. So I guess that's enough yapping for now, and time to go for a snorkel. Control this flame we started. You know I fire in my heart, yeah. Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I fire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I fire in my heart, yeah.
those of you that are leaving us this afternoon, could you please come closer to this table here?
Alright guys, it's 3 o'clock now and it's time to say bye to Barefoot Manta. That's the island life done and dusted for this trip. And we are catching the boat now to get on the big catamaran. Where we came from, Manta Barefoot, and we've travelled to Waya and near Waialele. So this was the island that we wanted to go to, but didn't have any accommodation. That's okay. And then 2 hours all the way back to Nadi. Alright guys, we made it back to Port Denarau now. It's 6 o'clock and the day's not over yet. We still have to get to where we're gonna stay tonight, which is Lautoka. Lautoka? What? Lautoka? Lautoka, which is north of Nadi. So we're gonna do it the hard way, we're gonna do it the cheap way. We're catching the local bus from here. No taxis for us, so apparently it's only like $1, so we have to go back to Nadi first, Nadi town, and then switch buses, go up north. So I think it's still going to be like an hour and a half transit, you know, trek to get there, and then maybe we could then stop and have some dinner. Now, did I also mention we haven't eaten since breakfast? I'm so hungry, so I already smashed through nearly a whole roll of Oreos. I'll probably finish this before I get on the bus. There's a yellow bus right there. So, lifesaver these things. Always carry a roll with ya. What a mission, and we have made it to Lautoka. Guess what time it is? It is 8:30 already. 8:30 and we only just arrived. Not yet, we're gonna eat, we're hungry. Okay, so hungry, need to eat, find something to eat, and then catch a taxi to our homestay. Nearly there guys, nearly there. This guys is $5 for that, which is like less than $4 Australian. The food at the resort we got less than this, and that was like 40 Fijian dollars we paid for each meal at the resort. Oh man, alright. But I guess that part of the trip's over now, and it's down to the cheap stuff from now. Good evening.
Yeah. Okay, yeah,
and then went to Nadi, and then here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it
No,
took a while.
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright guys, that's it for today. We made it to our homestay, finally, and not too bad, quite good. Just the basic, this is just our room. Was it $50? $50 a night for here, and then I don't know if you saw it outside there, really nice house, local's house, so this is where we're staying for tonight. It's not even that late, it's like 10 o'clock, but I am wrecked, so I'm ready to pass out right now. So once again, thanks for joining me today. Tomorrow we're checking out the villages, so make sure you guys don't miss out on tomorrow's vlog. I'll catch you guys then.